Looking for another short on NQ. YM went straight down, NQ went up. Uh, Let's see, YM went up, NQ went down. But we're looking to short this YM again into the euro close. So I'll kind of miss that entry and go take one here and then a 29,917 entry. Kind of late on the entry, but let me see if they're going to take it down again, right? This is a micro. Going in with a micro first. Look at the price action, and then we put on an E-mini.
So Nicholas was just saying that nothing is confirmed yet, and MPs are saying that many a slip between a cup and lip, but MPs being told that the signal will come if Reese Mogg announces that the comms will sit on Monday and Tuesday next week.
So we went in with a micro. We're down like $7.
Again, in regards to in the last hour, Tory MPs.
We got a level of 29,942. That's a value area high, the VPOC. All right, point of control. Then above that, we have the 10 o'clock, 9:30 open. So we got some nice resistance level above price. All right. It's 11:14. I'm looking to take an entry, take it down back into the 11 o'clock, 11:30 euro close. The VPOC at 29,942 could you act as resistance there, right? So testing the mic. We're going in with the micro first, get a feel for the price action. It's a counter trend trade. We're still in an uptrend, but it's a time of day play. We did one before for 11 o'clock. We're doing the one into the close. Going in here at 24. See if we get fill in an E-mini. Got fill in E-mini. We need to manage this counter trend trade. All right. I don't want to break this prior swing here. We keep a tight stop. All the stop is real tight, so we can't really lose much in this trade. Get back up, try to break above the red line here. We get out. All right. We see if we could grab another $100 from the trade. Want to come back to this prior swing here. All right. If we could, next candle, open up below the prior candle, we could come down back to the prior swing. Then we have the VWAP here, right? So we see how this play out. E-mini, micro. Be up 20, 30 bucks on the micro on the E-mini. Our stop is this red line above here, right? On the E-mini, the micro, we're gonna hold it.
Also more from BBC The Watch saying that Brexit is reassured UK is seen of unilateral punishment by the EU if the UK diverges from EU standards in the future. The likely tariffs.
We break this mid here. There's the 9:30 to 10 o'clock 50% level here. We break that, we're looking to come back to this prior swing line here, the red line. All right. If we fail, then we come back to the 10 o'clock, 10:30 high here and the VWAP. But we're going into the close. Volume is kind of low. It get choppy. Could easily get shaken out of this trade because it can become very whippy, right? If you're scalping, you're looking to make $50, $30, you could grab this and go back in again. Grab it, go back in again. It's chopping here. Taking too long to materialize this trade. Right? Taking too long to materialize. May have to take this trade off.
Order submitted.
I'm looking at the NQ up there. So we get to this line, we are down maybe $30 or so. All right. Maybe more than 30, maybe $50, $60. So we'll stop here, right? Trying to break above our stop, $60. Candle haven't closed as yet, so
Order canceled.
there's a limit order out sitting out there. So we break above. See that? See trading right in and out. It's $55 loss, $50 loss. We could take it, or we could wait for this candle to close. Maybe down about $80 somewhere. Okay. Create a new high here, over here. All right. Okay, let me see if they take it down now. Time is 11:21.
Yeah,
11:21. Gonna get real fast. Price action gonna get real fast here. Action gonna get real fast. Coming into the euro close here. We're looking to see if we're gonna get a flush here. All right. Price target now is the mid. First target is the mid here, or the band here, right? Just keep popping up. So the candle form getting a lot of pressure to the downside here. Goes up, push it down. We want to see it push it down, but the volume is kind of low going into the euro close. But we look into the pullback, 916. All right. Taking a long time here. It's just consolidating here. Still in an uptrend. Time of day play. Looking for pullback into the euro close. All right. They need to take profit and go home. That's what the Europeans need to do. I guess not. They're taking it up. Back to the line here. $70. Stop loss. Well, we can hold it to the time of day trade. Let's see what happens here. If they pop it up, might have to take it off and then go back in. Right? Taking some heat here now. You can see the price action, right? When you go into the close, you get people doing, all right? You get buys and you get sell going on, right? Into any close, right? We're looking for more selling than buying, right? So we're looking for more selling. I want to finish doing this nonsense here. Flush. Counter trend trade. Look at the internals. 6 is below 0. There's more buy volume than sell volume. See? Green versus the red. The TQ is going down. Advance is coming down. Decline is going up. A price just stuck there, right? Let's see if this trade worked today. European market is up, so hopefully it works, right? So to take profit. If we look at our list, we look here, we could actually see FTSE is down 100 and Germany's up. So we're looking for these guys to take some profit, right? So far, no profit. So far, nobody's selling nothing. Some trades you have to take some heat before it works, right? So it's a counter trend trade, though, right? Remember that, right? So we get some buy volume just came in here. Got some buy volume. Let's see if we flush now. It's 11:29. I might have to hold this till 11:40 if it don't break down here, right? Let me see if it come down now. Here we come. Come on. Drop back here, then come back to our prior swing line. See, what we need to do here is come back, stay still in an uptrend. It's all green, right? So we need it to fail, come back to the mean, then come back here. 909. 909 should line up around here. All right. Somewhere around here, right? Kind of got in here too early, though. We should have waited. But that's it. You never get a perfect entry, right? Sometimes it works perfectly, and sometimes you get in a little too early in anticipation. All right. Managing the risk. All right. We didn't get out because it's coming because it was close to 11:30. So let me see if they take it down now. We got into a squeeze here. Might get a little choppy here. Might got to be here for a little while. Come back to the mean here. See if it could break this here. Right there. And then come here. Right. So we got our levels there. I want to break this squeeze box here too, right? So you could play this kind of trade on YM. NQ's too erratic, and it will take a lot of heat. So we need to break the squeeze box to come low. Momentum shift in here. I know as I say, we'd get choppy because we're in a squeeze box, right? As long as we chop down, I see how wide the cloud is here. All right, so that means there was speed up here. Clouds separate. 8 and 21 separate from each other. All right, so we want this to break now. Want this cloud to get tight, and then we break below the squeeze box. It's 11:34. We need to break down now. All right. Break that come here. Break this come here. That's what we're looking for. Need to break out the squeeze box. Can't get out of this box. So the box getting bigger and bigger. Oh wow, look at that candle. Bap. Okay, it's 11:35. It should be have the settlement here. There should be more sellers than buyers, hopefully. That's what we're counting on this trade. More sellers into the settlement. All right, here we come. Down from 100 and something, we just went only down $5. Crazy. Oh, we need to break. Okay, we're breaking the squeeze. So look, zero candle close, just in line with that candle there. So, but just below it. So hopefully we break out the squeeze box now, right? So here we come. A tough trade, right? Could have add to it, but I didn't want to add to it, right? So we see if we get a drop now. Break here. We did that already. We break the mean. All right. We break the mean. We need to come here. 14 and then go low. Volume is terrible. Yeah, look like this trade is going to be over. It's 11:37. Wait till 11:40. 11:37. We need to break it. We might make much in this trade. Price got away too far from our entry. All right, so we were looking for this breakdown here, but price got all the way up here. All right. So what's happening here? We're getting a crossover to the downside of this candle close below this cloud here or here, right? Then we get a crossover to the downside. What we don't want to do, see happen, is pivot up and then we have to wait till to burn it down again, right? We want a failure. Trade not working. 11:38. We should have failed here. There should have been more sellers than buyers into the euro close. Unless we had some short covering. That push it up back, all right? Could have come out with a $10 loss and regroup. Now to push it right back up, all right? $11.40 is in 1 minute. Oh, we didn't fail, so this trade is euro into euro close. If you don't get a drop at 11:30, you wait for you into the 11:30 time frame and see if you get a drop. 11:39 and no mass. We're not getting the drop that I would expect it to get. I was anticipating, but not expecting, but anticipating. Oh boy. Ooh. They're just ripping it higher here. Look at this. I know it's suspect. When you see it don't work at 11:30, and then we wait 11:40, it don't work, this is what happened. We should just cap our losses and get out of the trade. Instead of that, blow through our price here, our rally up. It's all right. See what NQ is doing. It's not doing much. Yeah, well, he came off the low rally up here, right? Came off the low rally up. Why are we trying to break higher? We're trying to come here. We see. Okay. I might want to add to the micro here. Let's add to the micro there. See if we get a drop. All right. Scale out to that. Even he's still in an uptrend. Okay, let me see what happened. Time 11:42. Still pushing it. Trying to take back all the profit we make in the last two trades. Alright. Trying to break back 2/3 of our profit. So we break out here. Cloud, wider, rally up. Coming back to the Globex high here. This is the 9:30 high, the 10 o'clock high here. The OR high here. Wow, pushing it higher. Wow. Look at the ticks, not doing much, right? The volume is low and it's still pushing it higher. That's real bullish. All right. But I should be able to add one here. And add one to the micro E-mini here. 983. If it don't work, I take it off back. All right. Let's see if we could get a drop here now. All right, see if we could get a swift drop. Ticks come back below zero. This candle need to close. And then we'll be in business, right? We need a candle to close. Below the prior candle. And come down, chip away all the way here. All right. Want him to hit here. We are all the way here. Hit here, scale out the one and just leave the runner, right? Limit our loss here. Right, that's what we wanted to do here. Now come back here. That would come back here would be fine. Come back to the mean. Drop here, break. It's in an uptrend still, so we don't want this to happen. Okay, we're making one more attempt here. Okay, we come back to the prior swing here. So we want to see if we could break down now. Break the mean, come back here. That's the key, right? So we got 2 on. We're only down 125. Not bad. All right. We add. See if we've got to break this swing. Break that swing, we coming down. All right. We need to close below the swing though. All right. Need to close below the swing. Need to close below the prior swing. Okay, we're going to neutral mode here. See? Candle need to drop and then close below. All right. Still in an uptrend. All right. Taking too long to materialize. Gonna bounce right back up. Give us more heat. It was only down $75 a few minutes ago. Oh, see that? Bomb up. Oh boy. I should have taken it off here. Had that feeling it's gonna bounce. Get this neutral. Like take a rest before it bounce back up. You know? See, so getting some selling coming in here. We want to see the next candle just open below this candle and just break below the here, right? Here we come again. We down $75 again. See if we get a play here. If we could get out to this trade here, manage out our risk and still make a little profit here, right? Same setup. Come back here, consolidate, give us some pain, bounce up back. Oh boy. Okay, here we come. We make one more attempt here. One more attempt to fail. We're getting 3 tries here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 tries to break. All right. Let's see if we break now. If we don't break, I'll scale out of the trade. Minimize our loss. But I like the formation here. This candle, 7 seconds. This candle need to close, open below this candle. If it open the body of the candle, then we can get that wild price action to the upside. All right. So that's a problem you don't want like that. See that? Want a candle to open here, come down here, and then drop. Getting a lot of selling pressure, right? We want a sell spike down, right? Where they come bam, bam down. And we're able to get out of the trade. We're getting the kind of sell spike. You're getting a lot of selling pressure here, right? There we go again. Now we got to break here. Got to break here, right? So the candles come, consolidate in. And now we got to break. This is acting 3 touches there. Here we come now. Here we come. Here we come. We come in here. All right. We look to scale out. We came back from being down so much. We scale out of the trade. All right. We lose 20 bucks, $5, whatever. Take one off. All right. Now we get the trade. Here we go. All right. Managing a losing trade into a winning trade. Come back here, prior swing, see? And I got out fast. I just used one, so I'm out. We take a losing trade and come out of a scratch trade. Right? Now it could go low, but I'm all right. We came from all the way here, and we were still in an uptrend, right? It could still go low, but here we take a losing trade and manage the risk into a winning trade, a small win. The micros are down like $4. Could get out of that. I don't like it trade anymore, so take it off here. All right. Down $1, $2, whatever. It's gonna be a scratch trade. It's gonna be a scratch trade. Gonna come down. Look at that now. After we scale out, so that's a scratch trade. I'm done. Take a losing trade. Now we get a sell signal. We get a signal deep into the drop though. You know what I'm saying? The sell now come after this entire drop. We like to see the sell signal come here, and then we get a momentum to the downside. We could easily pivot right back up here. So we take a losing trade, manage our risk. Right? Sometimes it's good. All right, okay. That's it. We didn't lose any money. That's a good thing. We're going to reset and look for another trade later.